Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our last class, we talked about active income versus passive income, what they are, the differences, and which one might be perfect for you. We also covered some other important topics earlier in this course. But today, we are going to explore something new, POD business. Here's what we will cover in this class. What is POD business? How does it work? What do you need to get started? And step by step, how you can launch your POD business. So let's get started. What is POD business? POD stands for print on demand. That means when a customer places an order, only then the product is printed and shipped. If no one orders, nothing is printed beforehand. Sounds simple, right? But let's dive a little deeper so it's crystal clear. First, why POD makes sense instead of traditional business? Imagine you want to start a t-shirt business. So normally you would face some challenges such as you must buy blank t-shirt in bulk. That means finding suppliers, managing quality and controlling cost. Number two, you need to keep different sizes and colors in stock. Number three, you will need expensive printing equipment and raw materials. Number four, you will need storage space, maybe even a warehouse or racks for large stock. Number five, you will need staff for printing, packaging, and delivery. And of course, you will have to pay their salaries. As a beginner, this is a huge investment, high risk, and very hard to manage. Now, imagine this instead. What if I say, don't worry about stock, printing, packaging, or shipping? I will do all of that for free. You just design the t-shirts and promote them. Whether profit is left after cost is yours. Oh, don't you take that offer? Of course you would, because there is no big investment or major risk. That's exactly what POD business is about. Now let's get into how does POD work step by step. There are many marketplaces that provide POD services such as Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, and many more. Now, what is the step-by-step process? First, create an account on one of these marketplaces. Second, select a good product. Before selecting, check all the details, available colors, fabrics, sizes, and base price. Then, upload or create your design on the product mockup. And finally, promote that product on your social media, website, or other channels. When someone orders, the POD platform will print the product and ship it directly to the customer. Remember, the product is only printed after the order is placed. Alright, now let's see how you can promote this and how the product finally reaches Printful. You can promote your products in different ways. For example, through a Facebook page, a Facebook groups, Instagram, your own website, or even email marketing. Using these platforms, you can do both free and paid promotions. Now, if your website is built with Shopify, WooCommerce, it's a Wix or Squarespace, you can directly connect Printful to your website. That means whenever someone places an order on your website, the order details and customer information automatically reach Printful. Then Printful will print the t-shirt and deliver it straight to the customer's address. And your profit gets added to your account automatically. But what if you get an order through your Facebook page or group or Instagram promotion? In that case, you will need to manually submit the customer's information to Printful. Now, an important question, how do you set the price for your t-shirt? As I already mentioned, all product details are available in the marketplace, including the base price. So, you simply add your profit on top of that. For example, if the marketplace price of a t-shirt is $7 and you want to make $7 profit, so you will promote the product for $14. That way, $7 goes to Printful and the other $7 is your profit. I hope this makes the entire process very clear for you. Now, many of you might be wondering, is POD business only about t-shirts? Here's something exciting in print on demand. You don't just get t-shirts. There are hundreds of products you can design and sell. And that's the beauty of POD. You are not limited to just one item. Let's quickly explore some marketplaces and see what kind of products are available. So first, let's go to Printful. Just search Printful on Google, click on the official website. This is Printful's homepage. If you scroll down, you will see that since 2013, they have delivered over 150 million orders with an approval rate of 99.76%. They also provide 24-hour customer support. Scroll a little further and you will notice a section that says choose from 448 beautiful custom products. Yes, Printful offers more than 448 different products that you can customize and sell. Now, if you click on see all products, you will find many categories. Click on all products and you will see an endless list. So many products to explore and work with. Next, let's check out Redbubble. Top of the homepage, you will notice a lot of menus. Each menu has multiple categories, and under each category, you will find tons of unique products. You can simply choose whichever product matches your style and start working on it. And of course, there are many other popular marketplaces out there where you can also do print on demand. So, I hope now you have a clear idea of how big the POD business actually is and how many opportunities are waiting for you. Before we wrap up, let me clear up one important thing. You might be wondering, why am I even talking about POD business inside this affiliate marketing complete course? Well, there are two main reasons. Number first, since you are becoming a digital marketing expert, you should have at least some idea about different online business models. Number second, as I mentioned earlier, we should never let a visitor or audience go to waste. That means we will use the same affiliate marketing platforms to build multiple income streams. Because once you already have an audience, in the future you will have the opportunity to set up different businesses on top of it. I hope today's session made everything very clear for you. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to do so. On this channel, I am teaching you the complete affiliate marketing strategy step by step from start to finish. Thank you for watching and have a great day.